Today I'll show you how to make a setting screen to enable and disable post-processing filters with the toggle switch. Start by creating a new canvas. I'll use Option Canvas. This is the screen we will display with all the settings. In this example I will use the toggle switch. Make sure to check out the past screen video. I will be working further from this video. Now I will add the option menu script. Here we can switch our canvas. Let's give the button a function. Let's disable our path screen again and make sure we can open our option canvas. Now you can also use the same script to go back to the main canvas with the back button. To set up post-processing and add motion blur and depth of field in your project, check out my other video in the description. We will have a post-processing controller that will be able to enable and disable our settings. And then we need toggle option that will be triggered by our toggle switches. And this will call out the post-processing script. Now add the toggle option script to an empty object in your project. Here we can add our toggle switches that will go to the post-processing script that is able to enable and disable our post-processing. Let's try it out. So we disable everything. And if we go back, everything seems clear. Let's try it again. Good, it works. I hope you enjoyed.
Visit clipcourse.dev and navigate to the tutorial section in the category list. You'll discover all our tutorials along with the accompanying files available for free and secure download with just one click.